Hi my planner friends, this is Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we're planning in my Modern Peach classic size happy planner for the week of January 27th until February 2nd. I'm going to be using the Free Spirit sticker book from the Happy Planner collection, as well as my lovely checklists as always. And I'm going to be using some colored pens today to add a little flair to my spread. So I'm gonna start off with placing some decor around the spread. So I'm gonna just white out the lines a little bit because these stickers are on a clear sticker paper. So that means if I place them on the lines, they're gonna be showing through. So I wanted to make sure that doesn't happen. Same thing from Monday to Wednesday. So that first page of the Free Spirit sticker book, that's what I'm using. I'm pulling the 3 quotes with those watercolors on it and placing them kind of all over. So we have Reach the Stars, Wild Heart, and I'm a Daydreamer. And I think these are so beautiful. So now I'm just gonna make some checklists and kind of spread them out throughout the whole layout. And I'm using my Pilot G2 pen. It's very skinny. The lines look always so crisp and clean. And I'm trying to use this colored pen, but it seems that it's either run out of ink or dried out. So I'm gonna grab my other pens. Well, I'm gonna try to work this one out, but it's not working. So I'm gonna get my Inkjoy and do that with Inkjoy. How insanely purple is that pen? I mean, they're really beautiful pens, but they're also extremely bright. So I'm going to be using some purple, some green, and some pink to bring the whole spread together. So now I'm gonna place some of the decor around those big quotes. So some stars, they're like rose gold stars and flowers, and I'm just gonna be decorating and pulling stuff for the spread. And as I'm flipping through this book, I really forget that some of these books are so breathtakingly beautiful. I don't know even how else to describe it, because when I flip through them, I just go ooh and ah. They're so gorgeous. So now it's time to make another checklist on Sunday. I'm just gonna make big checklists on certain days and skip others to make sure that the spread is balanced out. Plus, even if I try to do that many lines every single day, there's no physical way for me to accomplish all of those things. So then I'm putting up there weekend project because I'm still working on decluttering my office. It's a very slow process. I'm taking each section at a time every weekend, and I'm trying stuff on as well as in my drawers in the bedroom. So this is a very long, tedious process. And how beautiful is that little saying that says she walked in the moon dust? It's so pretty. And I'm just gonna place some daily sticker boxes. every day might not have a checklist, however, every day will have a focus box. So that's what I'm doing right now, just kind of looking to make sure that every single day does have a focus box, and we can go from there. I really like that box with the flowers, but the box was facing the wrong way, so I had to find another one. So I found this green one with florals, and I think that looks pretty great. Okay, you guys should leave me in the comments, what is your favorite sticker book? Like, what is your absolute favorite sticker book? Either happy planner or no non-happy planner, whatever it might be. I just wanted to kind of see what everybody's loving and liking. I think my top books would be the New Flowers, and then Free Spirit, Vintage Botanicals because of how realistic those flowers are, and Colorful Boxes, the original one. I think those are my favorite sticker books, so that would be my top 4, I guess. And then if I had to do top 5, I think I would do wrong seasonal. Oh, actually no, I would do the seasonal orange that was available in Walmart. If it's a regular book, or if it's a specialty book, then the Teresa Collins. Those are completely my aesthetic. The black, the pink, and then the florals are completely my aesthetic. So if you guys have top 5 books for yourself, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what it is. I'm kind of curious to see what everybody's loving. So like I said, I'm doing some pink, some green, and some purple check boxes, kind of bringing the colors all around. And now that the spread is getting pretty full, it's time for decor pieces. So flowers all over, and just adding quotes and such. So I'm just moving some flowers around to see how they will look as far as the colors go. I want to make sure that they're not too mismatched, because if I do that, that just is going to look horrible. So I'm going to match the colors and just bring in one additional color to kind of make it look cohesive. So now I'm going to add most of the little stars that are around. They're in little clusters pre-made, and I think they're absolutely gorgeous. So we're gonna add some of those to every single quote. I'm sorry, these stars are so hard to see because of the rose gold. I know that they're not the easiest to see when it comes to that, especially the top one, because that's where my ring light is shining the most. Actually, I have several lights on this desk, so, and I usually film after work, after my full-time job, when it's dark. I wish I had the luxury of filming it during the day, but I just work so much, I really burn daylight, so then I do most of my filming around nighttime. And I'm adding these beautiful florals to my spread, and they come in rose gold as well as some colors like those blue, black, purple, and green, and peach. And I added one to each side to kind of add a little bit of that boho feel, kind of daydreamer feel type of thing. And then I still have to cover up that box on the corner where it says notes. I'm going to be adding some quotes to fill up the spread. I like my spreads usually busy. especially my main planner spreads. I like them busy, and I love this color scheme. I really do. I mean, the green, the peach, and the purple. I just love how it turns out, and I was able to finish a spread with one single book, so that's kind of impressive that you can have a single book and just do a full spread and it looks quite beautiful. Like, I am loving the spread. Like, the pastels and then the calm colors is really something that I enjoy writing and looking at throughout the week, especially because I take this personal planner with me to work, and that sits on my desk as well. And then I also put it on my coffee table when I get home. So if I get lazy, I can see my to-do list. Okay friends, this is pretty much the end of the video. I am putting some final touches on my spread and we shall be done. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, don't forget to leave me comments about your favorite books down below. Oh, and as always, thank you so much if you're subscribed to my channel and you're watching this. And if you're not subscribed and you're just popping in for a visit, please consider subscribing. I really do appreciate that. And again, I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!